Hello dear listeners, I am Dr. Vishwajit Singh Yadav, Assistant Professor of Chemistry from Shri GSITS Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on carboxylic acid. General introduction of carbonic acid, it contains what carboxylic acid is, their general properties, physical properties and their chemical properties. So here we start with our first slide, what carboxylic acid is. The parent of carboxylic acid is carboxyl group. Carboxyl group contains carbon and oxygen. Carbon is double bondly attached with oxygen, and when this carbon of carboxyl group is attached to another hydroxyl group, then it is called carboxylic group. And if any carbon chain is attached to carboxylic group, then the compound is called carboxylic acids. It is shown in the slides. There is an example of acetic acid in the slide. In our next slide, we have showed exactly what carboxylic group is there in different compounds where methyl group is attached to carboxyl group. In next slide, we have tried to show how carboxylic acid are named, the main IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. So in IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid, the parent is alkanes, and alkanes contains lastly alphabet E, and this alphabet E is replaced by OIC, that is oic, and E is replaced by oic acid. So if we have to mention any carboxylic acid, so in parent alkane group we have to add oic acid. So here is an example of methane, in which we have used methane oic acid, that is methanoic acid. In another example of ethane, E is replaced by oic and it is ethanoic acid. So the main thing is that when we name according to IUPAC nomenclature, we have to select longest chain in organic molecule. So in carboxylic acid, organic chain starts with carbon of carboxyl group, that is we have to mention number 1 for the carbon of carboxyl group. So always assign number 1 for carboxyl carbon and then according to longest chain. So here is the example in which we have showed example of methyl butanoic acid. We have assigned the number 1 for carbon of carboxyl group, and then we have mentioned 4 membered carbon chain in the slide. In next slide, we have showed what are the common name of some common carboxylic group. There is formic acid, another one is acetic acid. These are the most common name of these carboxylic groups. And for non-IUPAC nomenclature, a term is used, that is alpha, beta, gamma. If a carboxylic carbon is attached to a carbon, then this carbon is assigned alpha term, and according to the chain goes, they will assign as alpha, beta, gamma. So if there is an example of 3-methyl butanoic acid, then its common name, which is not an IUPAC name, will be beta methyl butyric acid. Now what alpha hydroxyl acids are and where they occur. So in nature, mostly the fragrance of fruits and flowers is because of alpha hydroxy acids. These alpha hydroxy acid mainly present in fruit, milk and sugar canes. And in next slide, we have mentioned the source of some common carboxylic acids which can be seen in the slide. The next one is aromatic carboxylic acid. Commonly, if a aromatic member aromatic ring or aromatic compound is attached to carboxylic compound, then they will call aromatic carboxylic acids. So most common aromatic compound is benzene. So if benzene is attached to if a carbon of benzene is attached to carbon of carboxylic group, then it will form a aromatic carboxylic acid. So here are some example in the next slide which shows some common aromatic carboxylic acids. Now the question is how carboxylic acid are synthesized. The most common method is by using alcohols. When alcohol is oxidized, then it forms aldehyde. After a single oxidation, this forms aldehyde. When this aldehyde further oxidized with some oxidizing agent, then it produces carboxylic acids. So here the example of ethane, in which ethane is oxidized by some oxidizing agent and it is converted into ethanol, which is an aldehyde, and when further this aldehyde is oxidized by some other oxidizing agent, then it is converted into an carboxylic acid. Now what are the basic properties of carboxylic acid? So carboxylic acids are highly polar because carboxylic group contains two oxygens, or because of the polarity of these oxygens, this particular group is highly polar. The boiling point of carboxylic acid are much higher than alcohols and ketones and aldehydes of their similar masses. Why? Because in carboxylic acids there is a dimer of all the acids, especially in lower molecular weight carboxylic acid, there is a presence of dimer. So because of this dimer, hydrogen bond is found in carboxylic acid, which is responsible for higher boiling points of carboxylic acids. Now the properties: carboxylic acid are highly soluble in water. They form carboxylate ion when added into water, and when they are reacted with base, they form an salt. Here we shown example of acetic acid reacted with NaOH, and we have obtained sodium acetate. According to previous study, we have shown some boiling point of some acetic acid and some acids, alcohol and aldehyde. It is clearly mentioned in it can be easily seen that boiling point of these acids are much higher than alcohols and aldehydes. And solubility, as we have mentioned previously, solubility of carboxylic acid are higher in water because they contain polarity. So here is the list how solubility, what are the solubility of different acids in water. Acidity of carboxylic acids, since it is highly polar, so they are strong acids. Neutralization of carboxylic acid, how they can be neutralized? They can be neutralized by adding base, because carboxylic acid itself a acid, when they are reacted with base, they convert into salt. Thank you.